If you've been wondering how to become a Claude Ambassador, this video is going to walk you through the full application process step by step. Whether you're already active in AI communities, love hosting meetups, or you just want to represent Claude in your area, this guide will help you understand exactly what to do and what to expect. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Claude Community Ambassadors application page at claude.com/community/ambassadors. This is the official place where the application starts, so make sure you're on the correct page before you move forward. Once the page loads, look for the Apply Now button and click it. After that, you'll usually see a Start option, so go ahead and click Start to begin the application process. This will take you into the Ambassador form where you'll share more about yourself and your experience. Now take your time with the application. You'll want to complete it carefully with details about your background, your experience using Claude, and your involvement in any kind of community work. This is your chance to show that you're not only interested in Claude, but also actively helping others learn, build, and connect. Be sure to highlight anything relevant that shows leadership or community impact. For example, if you've hosted meetups, run workshops, created online communities, published educational content, or help people learn about AI tools, include that in your application. The more specific you are, the better. Mention what you did, who it helped, and how it relates to Claude or the AI space. If your application stands out, you may be shortlisted for a brief screening interview with the Anthropic team. If that happens, treat it like a conversation about your experience, your motivation, and how you could contribute as an ambassador. Be ready to explain why you want to represent Claude and how you plan to bring value to your local or online community. If you're accepted, the next step is to sign the ambassador agreement. After that, you'll be invited to join the private Slack community, where you can connect with other ambassadors, share ideas, and stay updated on opportunities and resources. From there, the real work begins. As a Claude ambassador, you'll start organizing local events, hosting workshops, running hackathons, or creating content that helps people learn how to use Claude effectively. The goal is to build community, share knowledge, and make Claude more accessible to more people. A great tip is to focus on being consistent and helpful. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small, maybe with one meetup or one workshop, and build from there. Keep sharing useful tips, practical examples, and real use cases that show how Claude can support learning, creativity, productivity, and collaboration. So that's the full process. Visit the official page, apply, complete the form, go through screening if selected, accept the agreement if approved, and then start contributing as part of the ambassador community. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.